Are you considering a stay at Hard Rock Hotel located at Universal Orlando Resort? Let's take a quick look around. This Hard Rock property is modeled after the Hotel California and is truly such a lovely place. Definitely our favorite place to stay at Universal Orlando Resort. From the dark, rich woods to the marble floors, you think you have instantly achieved rock star status. But yet at the same time, it's so casual and laid back. The atmosphere is upbeat and fun, but yet you still feel relaxed. Be sure to take time to walk around the hotel and see all the rock memorabilia. There's plenty of it, not only in the lobby, but on the floors to the rooms also. The hotel has some great dining options. We recommend going to their website and checking out all they offer. Hard Rock Hotel's pool is absolutely beautiful and features underwater music. That's right, you can hear music while you're swimming. They also have a slide and 2 whirlpools. Hard Rock Hotel is one of the 3 hotels on site that offers express passes with your stay. And it is a very short but beautiful walk to the parks and to City Walk. Hope you enjoyed our little tour. Hard Rock Hotel is a great place to call home for the evening.
Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.